Choosing the right programmable robot toy can be challenging. Weak motors, limited coding options, poor build quality, and lack of expandability often disappoint users. But high-quality programmable robot kits solve these problems with powerful motors, durable metal frames, and flexible Arduino or ESP32 compatibility. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best programmable robot toys designed for learning, experimentation, and real robotics skills. We researched specs and real user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. If you enjoy educational tech and robotics content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5. 360-degree 6 degrees of freedom robotic arm kit. This 6 degrees of freedom robotic arm is built with a durable metal alloy frame and high-torque MG996R servo motors for precise movement. It supports Arduino programming and PS2 controller operation, making it ideal for robotics learning and hands-on experimentation. The claw design allows gripping, lifting, and rotating objects smoothly. Perfect for students, makers, and beginners exploring automation, kinematics, and basic industrial robotics concepts in a compact educational kit. Number 4. 25-kilogram load RC Tank V3 Mecanum Wheel Robot Kit. This heavy-duty robot car kit supports up to 25 kilograms load and features Mecanum wheels for omnidirectional movement. Powered by encoder motors and controlled via Arduino with a PS2 handle, it's ideal for advanced robotics projects. The strong chassis makes it suitable for AI navigation, obstacle avoidance, and motion control learning. A great choice for users who want powerful performance with programmable flexibility. Number 3. 10 kg load shock absorption tank robot chassis. Designed for stability and strength, this all-metal tank robot chassis supports up to 10 kg and includes shock-absorbing suspension for rough terrain. It's compatible with coding platforms and intelligent motor control systems. Ideal for robotics competitions, research projects, or STEM learning, this kit allows users to build a rugged, programmable robot capable of carrying sensors, cameras, or controllers with ease. Number 2. Pipeline Inspection RC Robot with Camera. This wireless inspection robot is designed for teaching, research, and real-world pipeline exploration. Equipped with a camera and ESP32 support, it enables video transmission, scanning, and network-based control. The tracked design allows smooth movement through narrow spaces. Ideal for advanced learners, this programmable robot helps users understand IoT, robotics vision, wireless communication, and remote control systems. Number 1. 5DOF Bionic Robot Hand Gripper. This 5-finger Bionic robot hand features 5 degrees of freedom with independent servo control for realistic motion. Compatible with Arduino and ESP32, it's perfect for learning robotics, prosthetic design concepts, and motion programming. The left-right palm design allows versatile applications, from AI experiments to robotic arm integration, a powerful educational tool for anyone serious about robotics engineering. Programmable robot toys are the best way to learn real-world robotics, coding, and automation skills. These 5 kits offer durability, strong motors, and flexible programming options for beginners and advanced users alike. Whether you're building arms, tanks, or smart inspection robots, there's something here for every robotics enthusiast. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more tech reviews.